Hello guys, I am Yan Sahanaspadin. I am from second IT. Here we going to discuss about operator overloading. Operator overloading is a compiler-type polymorphism in which the operator is overloaded to provide the special meaning to the user-defined data type. It is used to perform the operation on the user-defined data type. Like any other function, an overload operator has a return type and a parameter. Next, rules to overload an operator. Operator overloading is accomplished by means of a special kind of member function or friend function. Operators can be overloading. The precedence of the operators remains same. Next, advantages of operator overloading. Operator overloading in C++ makes a program easier to understand. Operator overloading provides flexibility. Operator overloading permits C++ to become an extensible language. Here the syntax for operation overloading. Next, we're gonna see about overloading urinary operator. When urinary operator are overloaded by member function, it takes no formal argument. When urinary operators are overloaded by friend function, it takes single arguments. C++ supports notations or operator that is used for incrementing or decrementing by 1. These operators cannot be distinguished between prefix or postfix operations. Next, we're going to see about overloading binary operator using member function. Binary operators may be overloaded by means of friend function or member function. Whenever it is overloaded using member function, it takes one formal argument, which is the operand to the right of the operator, and the object on the left is passed by this pointer. Whenever it is overloaded by using friend function, it takes two arguments, both operands to the left and right of the operator. We're gonna see about overloading binary operator using friend function. We can overload the binary operator using friend function also, but in this case, two operands are passed to overloaded operation. Friend function can be declared in any visibility mode in class because friend function is not a member function of a class, but it is a normal function which is a friend of a class. Next, we're gonna see about overloading assignment operator. The assignment operator is a urinary operator because it is connected only to the entity on the right, which is operand. Whenever assignment operator is overloaded in a base class, it cannot be inherited in a derived class. Hence, the assignment which is to be overloaded must be either a method or a class object with the argument. The assignment operator cannot be overloaded using friend function. Next, we're going to see about overloading relational operator. Comparisons under relational operators are binary operators that require two objects to be compared, and the result will be one of these. The return value of the operator function is integer value. Some examples are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and etc. That's all about operator overloading. Thank you.